We're from Coffee Hub, Information Inventory Warehouse Coffee Shop project. We will in presentation about our research and our development about this project. First is we will introduction about ourselves, our team. First, myself is Indra Maulana with student ID is F1D0 2200 and 9. Next,
And then my name is Muhammad Hazim Maulana. My student ID number is F1D022073.
next,
My name is Mulana Khalilullah. My student ID is F1D02274.
next,
And I'm Muhammad Zaki Al Kusai. My student ID is F1D022143.
okay, the last one,
And my name is Rizal Benata, and my student ID F1D0222158.
okay, thank you. Okay, let's start the first introduction. Team, please.
Okay, this is the introduction. The coffee industry is currently undergoing rapid expansion, with the coffee shop becoming essential to people way of life. Effective inventory management is crucial to prevent stock issue and minimize waste. Coffee Hub is a tool that aids coffee shop in efficiently handling inventory through the real-time tracking, uh, procurement management, and resource optimization. This platform enhances transparency, precision, operational efficiency, and promote the growth of coffee shop business.
Okay, next for benefit. Team, please.
And the next is benefit. Benefit of Coffee Hub is the first is managing level stock. Coffee Hub offer advance notice when inventory near minimum threshold, allowing the prompt replacement and preventing shortage that might impact coffee shop activity. The next is data provision for analysis and prediction. The app gathers and retail historical sales stock uses data benefit for trade analysis and forecasting future requirement. And the next is improving stock accuracy. The system enhances the accuracy for stock recording, ensuring alignment between stock record and the physical condition in the warehouse in real time. The next is benefit is reducing external inventories. Coffee shop is levels and optimize the stock quantity and minimize storage expense and raw material wastage. Next. The next benefit is make it easier to track raw material usage. The system allow detailed tracking of raw material usage so that coffee shop owner can identify area that requirement saving and optimization. The next benefit provide better reporting and analytic. Coffee shop provide comprehensive and easily accessible report. Reducing human error by automating many processes that were previously carried out manually. This system reduces human error in recording and updating stock data. The next is increase customer satisfaction with better stock management. Coffee shop ensuring the availability of raw material needed to fulfill customer order. The last benefit is provide operational efficiency. So overall, the implementation of Coffee Hub is affected to increase the operation efficiency of coffee shop. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Next, how to develop. Please, team.
The next is how to develop this app. For developing this app, we choose Extreme Programming or XP because it is aligned perfectly with the demands of Industry 4.0. XP is designed to handle rapid technologies changes and evolving industry needs by using short development cycles and rapid feedback loops. Okay, next.
Okay, flow diagram, please.
Diagram. The first one, we have to require some. We are going to release the planning. Hello. Okay. After that, we are going to prioritize and do some estimation about the sprint planning. It has some continuous iteration about the sprint planning that includes the designing, coding, testing, and refactoring. After that, we are going to review and get some feedback after it. And then we are going to release Okay, next,
Okay, user story
I'm gonna explain you.
team, please.
I'm gonna explain about the user story. Story number one. Story number one is me as a manager doing sign in the system. Story number two, I want an efficient information system to manage raw materials inventory in the warehouse in real time. So I can address stock inaccuracies, stockouts, overstocking, and difficulties in tracking raw material usage. Story number three, as a manager, I want to receive daily, weekly, and monthly reports on inventory usage, including usage trends and waste, so that I can analyze and plan stock needs more effectively. Story number four. As a manager, I want the system to predict stock needs based on historical data and generate automatic purchase order. So the risk of stockouts or overstocking can be minimized. Story number five. As a warehouse team member, I can sign in. Story number six. As a warehouse team member, I want to track raw material stock in real time and manage purchase efficiently. So that resource usage can be optimized and storage costs reduced. Next. So number seven, the warehouse team has strong security measures in place to properly protect inventory data, so stock information remains safe and secure. Story number eight, the warehouse team is accessible via mobile and desktop devices. So we can monitor and manage inventory flexibly from various locations. Story number nine, the warehouse team accommodates multiple branches or coffee shop locations so that all branches can be managed effectively on one integrated platform. Story number 10, store sign in. Story number 11, store updates inventory levels in real time and sends notification when raw material stocks are low, so I can take immediate action to restock. Story number 12, the store receives daily, weekly, and monthly reports on inventory usage, including usage and waste trends, so I can better analyze and plan stock needs. Next, story number 15. The store places order directly through the system and track order status in real time, so the ordering process become more efficient and transparent. Story number 14. Purchasing team sign in. Story number 15. The purchasing team has access to historical data to predict future needs and optimize inventory levels so that the raw material ordering process becomes more efficient. Story number 16. The purchasing teams provides recommendation for the use or promotion to exhaust stocks based on expiration dates and raw material usage levels so that waste can be reduced. Next.
Okay, please, your diagram.
And the next is ERD diagram. In this picture, we can see there's 13 table. So every table has their own relation with other table, and every table each table is have their own attribute. So yeah, that's it.
Next, use case diagram.
Okay, this is a use case diagram. From here, we have our user. First is admin, store, processing, and the last is a warehouse. All user do the register and login. And admin can access the admin beranda, include the management user, can edit user and filter data user. And the store is a store can access the store beranda, request item, raw material management, and the raw material request. And next is purchasing. From the purchasing can access the item management, include the stock and category, supply management, and purchase request management and purchase order. And last is a warehouse. Include the item management in the warehouse and item demand, item in out management, and purchase request. Warehouse purchasing and store can look the profile and edit profile, and the all user can log out from the system. Okay, that's all.
Okay, next for class diagram.
Okay, the
Please.
next is class diagram. There is two main class, which is CI controller and CI model. CI controller contains the logic to operate the application, and the model is the class that connecting the controller to the database. There is 10 class model, and there is 18 class for the controller. Okay, that's all.
Okay, we're going on sequence diagram. We will switch the display to see the sequence diagram. Okay, first
Okay, so about
please
the
dim.
about the sequence diagram, we already divided for each person is four sequence diagram that Ajim do three sequence, Lucky four sequence, me four sequence, and Indra is four sequence. So the rest of it is UI. I've been doing with Audi. So let's get the review about the sequence a little bit, and we are going to jump in the summary. Yeah, let's just review a little bit about the sequence, just one sequence, and jump to the summary. Let's try about the login and the logout. So the login and the logout can view the main page and pressing some login and doing some place else and doing some validations, get some data, and get the modules, viewing, and then login. And after that is logout. The difference is destroy session and showing the first page that we have to log in. So that's the short step for the sequence diagram. Let's jump to the summary.
Okay, the sitemap. We will see this the first, the fourth of the all role. We must log in, and the first role is admin. After the login, we will direct on the dashboard to management the user. Okay, the next role is store. Store after the login, we will direct on the store dashboard, and then the store has managed the ingredients and will be control about the use of ingredient used, and then the store has to ask about the ingredients. And the next is purchasing role. After the login, purchasing role will be direct on the dashboard, purchasing dashboard, and then purchasing role has will be set about the item management, which is in content where is the item and the item categorical, and then purchasing as control about the supplier, and then item supplier, and the last is purchasing order. The last role is warehouse. Warehouse after the login will direct on the dashboard or warehouse dashboard, and then dashboard I can do task about item management and asking about the item. And then C or the control has the item will be go out from the warehouse, and the warehouse can ask to send the item, and then the warehouse will can control about the item will be going in on the warehouse. Next on the summary, please.
Okay, the summary of the key learnings. The proposed solution of the previously mentioned issues is development of the Coffee Hub warehouse inventory information system. This software is designed to assist in managing stock at a coffee shop's warehouse. It is include the features for tracking inventory levels, monitoring item movement, and updating stock data in real time, leading to more efficient and accurate inventory management. This reduces the risk of stockouts or overstocking and provides detailed reports on raw material usage, adding in procurement planning and cost control. Every transaction directly affects warehouse stock levels, allowing coffee shop owners to easily monitor availability and make informed decisions. The system involves four factors: the admin responsible for the user management and access control, the store officer overseeing store stock and reporting needs, the purchasing officer is managing procurement and supplier relation, and the warehouse clerk handling good receipt, storage, and issuance. This collaboration ensures effective inventory management, minimizing shortage or excesses, and maintaining efficiency workflow from warehouse to store.